Today I'm going to show you how to connect the Bluetooth music receiver to an original SoundDock, which requires a power adapter. Right here we have a power adapter, a Bluetooth music receiver, a phone, which I have on the settings page right now, and a SoundDock System. So the first thing you want to do is connect your music receiver to your power adapter. The BMR on the music receiver will signify the front. Once you have it connected, take your power adapter and connect it to your SoundDock system. Once you have that, you'll hear a beep, and then we'll go to your phone. And on my phone, it automatically brings up the pairing request. And if there is a password, you just type 0000. And then OK. And the second beep you hear would mean that it's connected, which you can see on the Bluetooth setting page.